Our next problem is find the value of sine of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2 minus cos of sine inverse of sine of 5 pi by 6. So this is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2 minus cos of sine inverse of sine of 5 pi by 6. This is sine of pi by 2. Here sine inverse of minus theta is there. Sine inverse of minus x. Sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse of x. So this will be minus into minus plus sine inverse of root 3 by 2 minus cos of sine inverse of, this is sine 150 degrees, that is sine of pi minus pi by 6. So this is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is, that is pi by 3 minus cos of sine inverse of sine of pi minus theta is sine theta, this is sine pi by 6. This is sine 90 plus 60. Sine 90 plus 60 is 150 degrees, that is sine 5 pi by 6 minus, this is cos of sine inverse of sine theta, that is theta, sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, so that is pi by 6. So sine 5 pi by 6 is sine 180 minus 30 minus cos pi by 6, this is sine pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6, or you can write the value sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, cos pi by 6 is minus root 3 by 2. Find the value of cos of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 5 by 13. So here let us take alpha is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5 implies sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5. If you take the right angle triangle, this is 3, this is 5, this will be 4. Here cos alpha will be 4 by 5. Let us take beta is equal to sine inverse of 5 by 13 implies sine beta is equal to 5 by 13. So here take right angle triangle, this is beta, this is 5, 13, this will be 12. Cos beta is equal to 12 by 13. Now this will be cos of alpha plus beta, that is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, that is 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 13, that is 48 minus 15 by 65, that is 48 minus 15 is, that is 33 by 65. That is the value of the given. Our next problem is find the value of sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 2. So here let us take tan inverse 2 is equal to alpha implies tan alpha is equal to 2. Now this is, let us take cot inverse 2 is equal to beta, cot beta is equal to 2. Now we need to find the value of secant square alpha plus cosecant square beta. Now secant square alpha can be written as 1 plus tan square alpha, cosec square beta can be written as 1 plus cot square beta. This is 1 plus 2 square plus 1 plus 2 square. This is 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10. Our next problem is find the value of tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. We have a formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So apply this formula for the first two terms here, that is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. This is tan inverse, here take LCM, 5 plus 2 that is 7 by 5 to the 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Tan inverse 7 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. This is equal to tan inverse, again apply the formula, 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. This is equal to tan inverse, you can take LCM, 7 8 is 56 plus 9 1 is 9 divided by, and it's a 72 minus 7, 72 minus 7, that is tan inverse of 65 by 65, 65 65 gets cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 means its value is pi by 4. Our next problem is solve the given equation sin inverse of 1 minus x plus sin inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of x. So this is sin inverse of 1 minus x, this is cos inverse of x, bring this sin inverse of x to the right side, it will be minus sin inverse of x. This is sin inverse of 1 minus x. Now cos inverse of x can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. There is already 1 minus sin inverse of x is there. This is sin inverse of 1 minus x, pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse of x. Bring this sign to the right side, it will be sin of pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse of x. This is 1 minus x is equal to sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos of 2 sin inverse of x. So this is, if you take sin inverse of x as theta, so it will be 1 minus x is equal to cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Submultiple language formula, here 1 1 gets cancelled, minus x is equal to, here the sin inverse of x is theta means sin theta is equal to x. So substitute here, that is minus 2x square, here minus also gets cancelled. Now 2x square minus x is equal to 0. If you take x common, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 0 is one value, x is equal to 1 by 2 is another value. Our next problem is, if sin inverse of 2p by 1 minus p square minus cos inverse of 1 minus q square by 1 plus q square is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square then find x in terms of pq. So here let us take p is equal to tan alpha, q is equal to tan beta, x is equal to tan theta. Then the given equation will be, that is sin inverse of 2 tan alpha by 1 plus, so this should be plus 1 plus tan square alpha minus cos inverse 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So this is formula for sin 2 alpha, this is formula for cos 2 beta, this is formula for tan 2 theta. Here sin inverse sin gets cancelled, that is 2 alpha, cos inverse cos gets cancelled, that is 2 beta. Here tan inverse tan gets cancelled, that is 2 theta. Now 2 also gets cancelled, alpha minus beta is equal to theta. Now apply tan on both sides, tan of alpha minus beta is equal to tan theta. This is tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta, that is equal to tan theta. So now substitute the values, tan theta is x, tan alpha is p, tan beta is q. Therefore x is p minus q by 1 plus pq. It is the required value. Our next problem is, if tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z is equal to pi by 2, then find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. So let us take tan inverse of x is equal to alpha, implies tan alpha is equal to x. Tan inverse y is equal to beta, implies tan beta is equal to y. Tan inverse gamma is equal to z. Tan inverse z is equal to gamma, implies tan gamma is equal to z. Now substitute here, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2, implies alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2 minus gamma. Now apply tan on both sides, tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus gamma. This is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta is equal to tan 90 minus gamma is cot gamma. So that can be written as 1 by tan gamma. Now cross multiply here, tan alpha tan gamma plus tan beta tan gamma is equal to, this is 1 into 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, that is, now bring this term right side, left side, this is tan alpha tan beta plus tan beta tan gamma plus tan alpha tan gamma is equal to 1. Okay, bring it. So now this is tan alpha value is x and tan beta value is y. Here y into z, here z into x, that is equal to 1. That is the required value. Our next problem is, if alpha is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus x square minus, this is 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square, then find x square in terms of alpha. So this is, bring this tan inverse left side, it will be tan alpha is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. So here you can use component or dividend rule. So by applying component or dividend rule, so this is tan alpha plus 1 by tan alpha minus 1. So apply the same operation. So that is adding, first adding. So adding means this gets cancelled, that is 2 root of 1 plus x square by, so if you subtract, this is minus 2 into root of 1 minus x square, this gets cancelled, so this minus multiply here, so this is 1 plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan alpha, that is root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the value of tan of pi by 4 plus alpha, that is root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 minus x square. Now squaring on both sides, this is tan square of pi by 4 plus alpha 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square. So this is also equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by tan square of pi by 4 plus alpha. Now apply component or dividend rule. So this is first adding means 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus x square minus 1 minus x square. On the right side also same operation, 1 plus tan square of pi by 4 plus alpha by 1 minus tan square of pi by 4 plus alpha. So here x square gets cancelled, here 1 gets cancelled, this is 2 by minus 2x square. This is in the form of 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta, that is 1 by cos 2 theta, that is 2 into pi by 4 plus alpha. Here 2 gets cancelled, so that is minus x square is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus 2 alpha. So cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, this will be minus sin 2 alpha. Here minus minus gets cancelled, implies x square is equal to sin 2 alpha. So our next problem is solve the equation sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So this is sin inverse of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 plus this will be 2 sin inverse of x. Now bring the sin inverse right side, it will be sin of pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. 1 minus x is equal to sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, that is cos of 2 sin inverse of x. So that is, this is, let us take sin inverse of x is equal to theta, it will be cos 2 theta. 1 minus x is equal to cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here 1 gets cancelled, minus x is equal to minus 2. Here sin theta will be x. Substitute here minus 2x square. So here minus minus gets cancelled, 2x square minus x is equal to 0. If you take x common, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0 or 1 by 2 are the solutions of the given equation. Our next problem is find the value of cos of tan inverse of sin of cot inverse x. So if you take cot inverse of x as theta, cot theta is equal to x. So that is x 1 root of 1 plus x square. So that is cos of tan inverse of sin theta. That is cos of tan inverse of sin theta value is 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Okay. Now if you take alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square. This is alpha, this is 1 root of 1 plus x square. This will be hypotenuse, a square plus b square is equal to c square, that is 2 plus x square. So this will be cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to here, what is the value? 1 plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 2 plus x square. That is the required value of the given equation. Our next problem is solve 3 sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3. Here let us take x is equal to tan theta. So it will be 3 sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is plus 2 into tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to pi by 3. So this is the formula for sin 2 theta minus 4 into cos inverse, this is the formula for cos 2 theta plus 2 tan inverse, this is the formula for tan 2 theta, that is equal to pi by 3. Here sin inverse sin gets cancelled, that is 3 into 2 theta minus 4 into, here also cos inverse cos gets cancelled, 4 into 2 theta plus 2 into tan inverse tan gets cancelled, 2 into 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. This is 6 theta minus 8 theta plus 4 theta is equal to pi by 3. That is 10 theta minus 8 theta is 2 theta is equal to pi by 3, implies theta is equal to pi by 6. Now apply tan on both sides. Tan theta is equal to tan pi by 6. Tan theta is equal to x. Tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. That is the solution.